This is the supine position. Some of you may know it as the anatomical position. I start this routine in the supine position because it is a gravity-assisted position. My back is laying flat on the floor, but I am not trying to create any arches or pulls. I am fully relaxed. Once I achieve that state, I will start to incorporate some of the principles that you will hear consistently through the program. This is a great starting point to master before moving on. Begin with your big toes pushing together. Bring the knees slightly up and close the hips towards one another. From there, bring the hands to the hips. Once you've achieved this position, take a breath that expands the rib cage. Maintain that space on the exhale and tuck the chin. This will elongate the spine while engaging the pelvic floor and the inside of the hips. The next step is to integrate the shoulders, so we will reach up to the sky slowly with each breath and stabilizing on the exhale. Point the toes up towards your nose, tighten the inner thighs together, squeeze a ball or press the hands together and start to track them up. Elbows can be out or in. That targets separate areas in the shoulders. One more breath. There should be a global tension throughout the entire body that is held and matched between the hands and the hips. And when you release, you should feel the relaxation response.